Good morning, students. As we finished our exercise, this one, problem set number 4 and problem set number 5. So today we will just move with problem set number 6. As we learned in problem set number 3, how to make the 2-digit, 3-digit numbers. And in problem set number 4, we learned the expand form, and in problem set number 5, we learned how to actually find out the place value of a particular digit. So like this way, we finished our problem set number 5. Today we will just start with problem set 6. In this first exercise, write the proper symbol greater than or smaller than in the box. Boxes are given. So in this, we have to just read and which number is greater than or smaller number. You have to use the proper symbol in the boxes. Now first one is already here, it is done. You have to read the number carefully. Then only you can find out which is greater than number or smaller than number. Okay. Here 5,705. 5,705, one number, and the second number here it is 15,705. Now students, you just tell me which is the greater number, means a big number, whether 5,000 is a big number or 15,000. Yes, 15,000 is the big number. So here greater than symbol we have to use. Okay, which number is greater, that you have to use. Now the second one, 22,74,705, and the next number is 12,74,705. This I will show you on the board so that you will understand. Okay. Exercise this one. First one already is done. We will move with a second one. Second one, that is 22 lakhs 74,705. And here it is 74,705. Now you just notice here how to find out the greater than number. Already you see here 705, 705. 74,000, 74,000. But here it is 22 lakhs and here it is 12. Okay. Once again, I'll explain you. See, 705, here also 705. It's same in both the numbers. Here it is 74,000 and here also 74,000. But the difference is here 12 lakhs and this one is 22 lakhs. So which number is greater? Yes, of course. 22 lakhs 74,000 is greater than 12,074. So we have to use this symbol. Understood? Now the next one, third one. Okay. This also I'll show you. 35 lakhs 33,000 302, and here it is 35 lakhs 32,302. So simple it is. Now you see the difference is, here it is 302, here also 302. Okay. Now here you see 32,000. Here it is 32,000 and here it is 33. So from here only, because this on lakhs position is same, 35, 35, same. So in lakhs there is no difference, same number, but in thousands and 10,000 place, here it is 33,000 and here it is 32,000. So you just understand which is the greater number, 32 or 33. Yes, 33,000 is the greater number. So again we have to put this symbol. Understood? So this is how the way we solve this first exercise. Write the proper symbol in the box. Okay? Like this way. First already it's given. Second and third I show you on the board. The remaining 4 more are there. It's a homework. You just do it. Okay. Now we will move to the problem sums. Okay. In a problem sums, solve the problems given below. These are the problems which are given. We have to read carefully so that we can solve it. The Swayam Siddha Savings Group made 3,45,000 papads, while the Swabhimani Group made 2,95,000. Which group made more papads? Okay, I will write it on the board and I'll show you. Okay, the sum number 1. Exercise number 2, sum number 1. I'll show you. Sum number 1. Okay, here Swayam Siddha. Swayam Siddha Savings. How much it is? 3,45,000 papas. Okay, and Swabhimani. Swabhimani is how much? It is 2,95,000. Round figure it is. Okay. So Swayam Siddha savings is 3,45,000 and Swabhimani is 2,95,000. From here you can actually find out the which group made more papads. Okay, which group? Whether Swayam Siddha or Swabhimani. Yes, these made more papads. So what you have to write? Swayam Siddha. Swayam Siddha made more papads. Here it is 3 lakhs and here it is only 2 lakhs. So this is the answer. You just note down. We will move to our next question. Children of the primary school in Ahmednagar district collected 2 lakh seeds, while those in Pune district collected 3 lakhs 25,000. Which children collected more seeds? This is very simple. Ahmednagar district collected. Ahmednagar children of primary school collected 2 lakh seed, while Pune district collected 3 lakhs 25,000. Yes, Pune district collected more seeds, that is 3 lakhs 25,000. Okay, I said you the answer. You can do by your own. We will move to exercise sum number 3. The number of people who took part in Republic Day flag hoisting ceremony was 2,01,306 in Pandharpur Taluka and 1,97,208 in Malshiras Taluka. In which Taluka did a larger number of people participate? From these two numbers, you have to simply find out which actually number is the greater one, or you can say these many persons or these many peoples took part in Republic Day. Here the question is, you have to find out a larger number of the people, those who participated in the Republic Day flag hoisting ceremony. So here it is clear, that is 2,01,306. Okay, so this is the third one. I explained you. We will move to the fourth one. At an exhibition, the Annapurna Savings Group sold goods worth 5,12,345. The Nirman Group sold goods worth 4,12,900. This figure was 4,33,000 for the Srujan Group and 5,11,937 for the Savitribai Phule Group. Here now you see, don't be in a confusion. Here just is asking which group had the largest sales and which group had the smallest sales. Okay. First of all these numbers you have to write it. First you write down Annapurna Savings Group. That is 5,12,345. Then second one, Nirmana Group sold goods 4,12,000. And the figure 4,33,000 for the Surjan Group and 5,11,937 for Savitribai Phule. In this, which group had got the largest sale? Which group had the smallest? Only largest and smallest from these four numbers you have to find out. Understood? Write the sales figure in ascending order. And afterwards, what you have to do? You have to write this in ascending order. Okay? I'll show you. I'll show you here on the board. One by one, I will write. Fourth one, okay. Here, Annapurnas. Annapurna Savings. How much it is? 5,12,345. Okay. Second one, the Nirman Group. Nirman group is 4,12,345. Then Trujan group. Trujan group is 4,33,000. Okay. And Savitri Bai Phule. Savitri Bai Phule is 5,11,937. Now you see, you have to just compare these four numbers, and from these four numbers, you have to find out which group actually has the largest savings. So who is having the largest savings? Who is having largest saving? Here 5,12,000. Leave this. In this 5,12,000, here it is 5,11,000. So who is having the largest? This one. Largest saving, Annapurna. That is the number with 5,12,345. Okay. This group, Annapurna Savings Group, has largest selling goods. Now the smallest. Smallest. From these two numbers, who got the smallest saving? This one. 4,12,000, because here it is 4,33,000. So this one is the smaller. 4,12,345. Understood? This one. Now, in this only, one more question is there. You have to just write these figures in ascending order. Okay. Ascending order means from small to big. Okay. Ascending order means from small to big number. In these four numbers, which is the smaller number, you have to see. Ascending order, then we will start. Ascending order. Which number is smaller? Yes. This one. First. 4,12,345. Then the second one, that is 4,33,000. Then next one, from these both, it is 5,11,937, and the next one is 5,12,345. Ascending order means from small number to a big number we have to write. Ascending order will start from a small number to big number. Okay, this way you just do the problem set number 4. Okay, fourth one, and then ascending order. I just solve this sum on the board. So complete this problem set number 6. Like this way, here today we finish problem set number 6. Okay, so complete this, and I hope that you all understood how I explain you. Complete your notes, write it in your proper notebooks. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.